Beautiful. All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom is going to show you how to make this Lemon Arugula Shrimp Salad. This is an Italian-inspired coastal favorite. Very simple to make, quick, and healthy, you know. So if you're on a diet before the holidays, this is what you need to eat. Anyway, another reason is our next video is we're gonna have some real fattening Sicilian pizzas. We're gonna have, we're gonna show you how to make.
Which is right after we eat this.
All right, let's get cooking. Okay.
All right, guys, we're gonna do our marinade for our shrimp. We're gonna do a shrimp salad with arugula and lemon olive oil dressing. Anyway, this is what I put in my marinade. Dijon mustard, olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper, garlic, and rosemary.
Oh, very nice.
Let's get started.
And we got some wild caught shrimp here. You know, you don't want to buy that farm raised shrimp. The wild caught has a little more sweetness to it and it's more firm. And the farm shrimp, they feed them with pellets and processed foods, and they're more mushy. These wild caught have more of a nice oceanic flavor to them, for sure. How are you doing now?
I got the Dijon in there, some olive oil, some pepper. I'm just gonna put a pinch of salt because Dijon mustard is salty. But okay. Put our lemon in there.
We're eating salad today. Chef Dom is on a diet.
That's bullshit.
I need to be on one.
Yeah. Yeah, but tell them what else we're eating today.
Oh my God, we're making pizza too. That'll be on a video in October.
Chop up a little garlic. Put that garlic in there. Some fresh rosemary.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put our shrimp in the marinade, mix it up, and then we're going to put it in the fridge and let it marinate for a little bit.
Nice.
Right, I used to do this marinade for tuna, fresh tuna at Daddy Jack's.
Oh, nice.
Nice tuna steaks and let it marinate overnight. Oh man, what a flavor.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, we're gonna cook our shrimp, our marinated shrimp now on a flat top. It's only gonna take, you know, a few minutes, couple of minutes.
Oh man, they smell good already. All right.
Like I said, these won't take long to cook. These are, as soon as you turn them over, let them go for another half a minute and then they're done. All right, we're gonna take these off here. Like I said, they only take a couple of minutes to cook.
Oh man, they smell
Especially these tiny ones.
Yeah, they said it was jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo?
Believe it or not.
They're like bay shrimp. More like it. This is a nice little flat top. I like it. What a smell. Beautiful, dude. Very nice.
All right.
put this salad together.
All right, I got a couple of cloves of garlic here. I'm gonna smash up. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna crush them up a little bit. And just smear the bowl with some garlic. Just to give it that nice.
Oh yeah.
All right. Put this on the side. All right. Now we're gonna put our arugula salad in there. Ooh, guys, this is so easy to do. I'm gonna put a little
I still piece
pepper in here.
Salt.
Salt.
Close-ups.
We'll put some olive oil in there.
Olive oil.
And now we're gonna put some lemon in there. We're just doing the lemon. Our grandmother used to do this. Just lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper and garlic.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Simple is good. Yeah.
Salt. A little more pepper in there.
Pepper.
More salt. How is it, Dom?
It's good.
Okay.
Good, buddy.
Now we're gonna throw in our
Grape tomato.
grape tomatoes. I cut all cut in half. Beautiful tomatoes.
That's gonna be good. I would add some shaved Parmigiano, Reggiano Parmigiano. Oh, man.
Now we're ready to eat.
All right.
All right.
Let's eat.
It's about time.
All right, let's taste the salad. Chef Dom, serve me. Oh my God, look at that.
Yeah. Put your plate back over here. Stop screwing around. Go ahead, munch.
Oh my God, this looks fantastic. Take a look at that.
Oh,
Isn't that beautiful?
Me, I'm a salad freak.
All right.
And I need some shrimp too. Dom, I think you got enough shrimp there for you.
fancy.
Yeah.
Fantastic. That's good.
I need some tomatoes. How is it?
Now,
Any good? Tomatoes.
delicious. Take a bite of that shrimp.
Dom, you can eat out of the bowl.
Wow.
How is it good?
Man, that marinade really made these shrimp very flavorful. Very, very good. Anyway, hey, we want to thank everyone who purchased our cookbook.
Yeah.
If you would, go back on Amazon and leave a review. It really would help us. We appreciate it. Anyway, we hope you enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you guys next video. Next video is going to be our New York style pizza dough. Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Take care. Ciao.
This is the best salad I ever
You want to
had.
say goodbye?
Oh, goodbye.